Dito nagsimula ang paglalakbay sa paaralang hindi lang nagtuturo, kundi bumubuo ng pangarap.
Isang titik, isang bilang, mga unang hakbang sa pag-abot ng pangarap.
May mga pagkakataong mahirap, ngunit bumabangon kasama ang mga guro at kapwa mag-aaral. Sa bawat pahina ng libro, sa bawat aralin sa klase, kasama namin ang mga guro na nagtitiwala sa aming kakayahan. Ang Balete Integrated School ang aming tahan, kung saan hinuhubog ang aming isip at puso.
Good morning, sir. At sa labas ng silid-aralan, natutunan naming palagahan ang samahan, ang disiplina at ang pagkakaisa.
Kapati man kami nga mayad magturo do mga teacher sa BIS. Nagtapos naman. Anom sa nagtapos sa BIS.
Manami ro pagtuunan at magapit ang pagmonitor ag hagos kilaga ko tanan nga staff.
Okay man jud pag tinuon-an mabuot yung mga isda.
Ay marami na pagturo ko na sa BIS. Pag mayad sana mag disiplina sa mga.
I am a proud product of Balete Elementary School, where I graduated in year 2000. What I didn't realize back then was that declamation experience I had would later help me in my chosen path. Today, as a lawyer, the skills I developed through declamation, through public speaking, continue to serve me well. And for that, I will always be grateful. One of the most memorable things about Balete Elementary School isn't just its history. It's the sense of simplicity and support that shaped so many of us. The school may not have had the modern facilities back then, but what it had was the heart. I remember so well the gravel paths, the wooden chairs and tables, and even the sound of the school bell during recess. The teachers were all dedicated, and you could really feel that they cared, not just about our grades, but our growth as individuals. And Balete Elementary School will always have a special place in my heart.
Ang Balete Integrated School ang aming tahan, kung saan hinuhubog ang aming isip at puso.
At kami mismo ang nagpapatunay na dito hinuhubog ang kabataan upang maging handa sa buhay.